In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Phonk bells in Soundtrap. We'll walk through getting into the studio, setting up a track with the built-in pattern tools, and loading the cowbell Phonk machine so you can craft that gritty, catchy bell groove Phonk is known for. I'll keep it straightforward and add a few pointers along the way so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters. First, head to the Soundtrap website. On the homepage, click Login, then choose Login with Google. Select your Google account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your Creator dashboard. From there, click Studio to open the music making environment. Give it a moment to load. You'll see the timeline, transport controls, and track area. Next, click Add New Track. You'll be prompted to select what you want to work with. Since we're focusing on programming a bell rhythm that locks in with a Phonk groove, choose an instrument track option so you can use Soundtrap's pattern tools. Now open the Patterns Beatmaker. This tool is perfect for quickly laying down step-based rhythms without worrying about MIDI recording. If you prefer, you can also use the Smart Drummer, but the Patterns Beatmaker gives you precise control over when each bell hit lands. Inside the Beatmaker, look for the Machines section. Machines are curated sound kits designed to give you a specific vibe instantly. Click Machines, then use the search field to type Cowbell Phonk. This narrows the list to the exact kit we want. When you see Cowbell Phonk, click it. The kit will load and you can start building your pattern right away. Note that certain kits and machines may require a premium plan. If a lock icon appears, you'll know it's part of the paid features. With the Cowbell Phonk kit active, start sketching your bell rhythm on the step grid. Phonk bells hit hardest when they're simple, punchy, and slightly syncopated. Try emphasizing offbeats to create forward motion, and use occasional accents to break repetition. Keep your pattern tight and repetitive for that hypnotic feel, and think about contrast. A strong, steady motif with the occasional unexpected hit often feels more aggressive and memorable. As you listen back, pay attention to how the bell tone cuts through. That sharp, percussive character is what drives the groove. And that's it. You've opened the studio, added a track, launched the Patterns Beatmaker, navigated to Machines, found Cowbell Phonk, and loaded it so you can build authentic Phonk bell patterns quickly and confidently.